Japan Defense Ministry signed a contract worth $1.7 billion with United States to buy 400 land-based Tomahawk cruise missiles which have a strike range of about 1,600 kilometers to ramp up its military capacity to counter regional security threats. North Korea said it has tested its nuclear-capable underwater attack drone in response to a combined naval exercise by South Korea, United States and Japan. Haeil, which means tsunami, is nuclear-capable underwater attack drones which is intended to make sneak attacks in enemy waters and destroy naval strike groups and major operational ports by creating a large radioactive wave through an underwater explosion. India has issued a NOTAM for naval ship missile firing between the 24th of January and the 25th of January for a range of 900 kilometers, hinting potentially long-range missile. NATO will conduct its biggest military exercises in decades next week with around 90,000 personnel set to take part in months of drills aimed to show that their alliance can defend all of its territories along border with Russia.